decentralized capacity, okay, at different locations because so much volume is coming. So Madgaon needs to segregate. Without segregation, it is not possible. Because entire load is coming here, we are finding it difficult to handle, and that is why pile-up is happening. So we are making assessment of decentralized sites so that waste coming to Sonsodo is handled at source itself, like market area. We have some biodigesters. We are looking at that. That is our main plan.
What about wholesale fish market?
So all those locations we have assessed where we can add some capacity so that where waste is generated, there itself it is treated and doesn't come here. So load here becomes less.
Is it also required since there is a discussion going on regarding the termination of the plant? Is it also required for that?
This is independent of that we are taking care because those discussions will take its own time. So because there is a legal agreement between the council and the plant, so that itself resolving those issues will take time. But these issues we have to sort out. Even if the plant is taken over, the load that is coming to the plant, if we are able to reduce it, we will be also, this plant will operate at more better efficiency, regardless of whosoever is operating the plant.
खासदार सार्दीन शुक्रारात जिल्हाधिकाऱ्याच्या कचेरीन पावलो. कोयराचो प्रश्न बेगोबेग तडीक लावचो म्हण खंय ताणें जिल्हाधिकाऱ्याक ऑर्डर दिल्या.
संसदाऱ्याकूच ते दुसरी सांगलां, आजी सांगता तिंगाचे ते वचपाक जाय. वास तो बंद करपाक जावपाक जाय, ते उजलाक तो बंद जावपाक जाय. Till such time they shift the garbage, this thing should not happen. It should not be health hazard to the people from the vicinity. Over. So that's why I told collector that day, please don't have expert opinion. Bring expert there and see what can be done.
प्रुडंटा खातीर भीमा पाटील.